Welcome to my 54,000 subscriber silver giveaway. What's up, stackers? This is Slayer and we are here. This is the video. I'm sure you are all excited and a little bit nervous, as I am too. I just want to thank you all enough. I'm so grateful for the amount of support, not only for my channel, but the silver stacking community as a whole. I've seen us grow so much from over the years. When I started, there was only like 5 or 6 actual silver stacking channels. You would see some other YouTube videos out there where someone, shows like a bulk purchase or something, but not really the type of silver stacking educational videos you get today, right? We kind of molded that style, and I think it's helped so much, because if I would have seen the types of videos that I make, or a lot of other people, it would have helped me out a lot in the beginning. So I'm just so grateful to see this many people taking interest into silver, and especially just because they're finding an alternative, not a solution. There's no solution to the problem, but there's an alternative, which is putting your hard-earned money into precious metals instead of the corrupt financial system watching it burn away. So that's just, that's always my main goal, is to gravitate people towards a way to protect their hard-earned wealth. So, we're going to kick this thing going. Like I said, there's 2 winners, so I guess I should show the prizes, right? So we have 2 different sets of prizes. So the first winner is going to be getting a 2022 Britannia that also has the new security feature. So I'm sure that that's just going to be even easier to sell, because at least your potential buyer is going to know that the silver's real. And then that is also going to come with a 1-ounce buffalo bar, which, by the way, I love these 1-ounce bars. They're a lot bigger than you would expect. If you think like a 1-ounce bar, you would think of it's pretty tiny, but it's actually, since it's so thin, it's pretty wide. Like, let me show you compared to the Britannia. Like, it's a lot bigger, so I think it's really cool. I know that you guys are gonna love that set, whoever wins that. And then the next prize is a Sunshine Mint round, which, they're just such good rounds. Probably the best silver to purchase right now, just because they're such a low premium, and they're a nice looking coin too, right? And then on top of the Sunshine Mint round, we have a 2022 kangaroo, probably the fan favorite. Everyone loves kangaroos. I'm actually doing a Silver Slayer deluxe bundle, 15 ounces. I'm hand picking silver. We're working on that right now at Bullion Max. I'm gonna try to pick some really good coins in there, just really good deal. I'm not making a single penny off that, because if I did, we would have to raise the price of the listing, and I want this just to be the best deal online that you've ever had. Just an opportunity to be able to give my audience a deal that good is just, it's good enough for me. Plus, they already send us silver, for promoting the silver stacking podcast. So, I appreciate them so much. And also, they're doing the starter kit, which is 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing. And let me say a couple things on that real quick before we go into the give. We're about to do that, so hang on. It's free shipping on orders over $199 for online dealers. 99% of online dealers, it's free shipping on orders over $199. It used to be $99 until 2020, when all the Wall Street silver stuff happened and the US Mint sold out. That's when it turned into $199, literally actually overnight from that one day when they did the raid. But it's orders over $199. The 5-ounce starter kit obviously isn't that expensive, so you want to pick up an ounce or 2 extra just to get that $199 threshold and get the free shipping. Highly recommend you do that. Another thing, if you're looking at the price of the starter kit and just doing, 5 ounces of silver times spot price or whatever, obviously that's not going to look like a good deal. But we're talking about Type 2 Eagles. We're talking about a 2022 Britannia, the kangaroos. Like, these are $40, $45, sometimes $50 coins. You can't just do spot price times 5. You can't just do all generics times 5, right? You're not looking at just generic rounds. You're looking at some very high premium coins into that deal. But if you put each one of those coins individually in your cart and looked at the price, it would be nowhere near as good as the starter kit. And that's why it's only 1 per household. So they won't lose a bunch of money. That's also why it's such a good deal as well. So take advantage of that. I saw a couple people say, that's not a good deal. If you look at 5 ounces, it's like, if you don't understand what semi-numismatic coins are or high premium silver is, highly recommend you look at the difference between generics and coins. There's a big difference. A round and a coin are not the same thing. Coins are government-backed silver. Like, this is a coin, right? This is a coin. This is a round. This, you can't, it's not actual legal tender. You couldn't take this anywhere and actually spend it. This, you technically could. This is 2 pounds. So in UK, you could actually spend this as money. Now, it would be really silly to do that. Just like American Eagles. That's an actual dollar you could take to a store or a bank and sell it. You won't do that, but it's actual legal tender. Rounds, those are just called rounds. They're not called a coin because this is not government backed. It's a private mint. That's why you got to understand that stuff and why rounds are a lot cheaper. But anyways, so those are the 2 prizes, and we covered all that. So I guess we can go over to the actual comment picker, and like always, may the luckiest stacker win. Okay, we are at the comment picker site now, so it's time to pick our 2 winners. Are you excited or are you nervous, or a little bit of both? Let me know in the live feed. I'm sure you are all really anxious. We could do a drum roll or a 3, 2, 1 countdown, or we could just get straight into it. Also, I wanted to say Bullion Max is giving me a coupon code you guys can use on the entire site. Anything, even if you want to buy gold or whatever, you're going to get a discount code, so stay tuned. Shout out to them for doing that for me. I recommended it. I was like, hey, could I get like a discount? And they're like, sure, we'll make you one up right now. Like, they are so freaking dope. Like, shout out to Bullion Max. Like, I've never seen a company just like support someone just so much. Like, anything I throw at their, throw their way, they're like, let's make it happen, right? Let's figure out a way to do this. They even asked me, hey, do you think your subscribers want some gold instead of silver next time? I'm like, yeah. Like, shout out to them, man. Like, the person that I communicate with, like, genuinely, like, she is the most humble, just down to earth, cool person I've ever met. It's really cool. It's really cool to see that. But anyways, let's get this going. So hashtag, here, let me do this. Hashtag 54K, no duplicates. Don't include replies, and that's good. That's good. Okay, so loading, and honestly, this is a 3,270 views. This is my probably my most viewed giveaway, or one of them. We have 857 comments. I know my moderator said a lot of people were doing it incorrectly. You had to do hashtag Slayer 54K in all caps. So hopefully, if you did comment, you corrected it. So he said most people did. So, shout out to Joker's Wild for putting that in for me. But yeah, so like I said, the 2 winners are going to get the Britannia, the 1 ounce Buffalo. We have the Sunshine Mint Round and the 2022 Kangaroo. I'm also, if you look at my office, it's about 1/8 of the way there. About an 1/8 of the way there. I mean, it looks like it's kind of getting there, but no, I have a lot of other stuff that I got to order this week and do. So this is kind of just like a rough setup right now, so I can still make videos and have something kind of nice. But yeah, this is nowhere near the finished product. I'm gonna make this thing look decked out. So yeah, I guess I've kind of been building the anticipation up long enough. You probably want me to shut up and pick the winner, so let's do that. Picking the winner. The winner is S and C. So this is the first person, S and C. So congratulations, you won the Britannia. I think it was the Britannia and the 1 ounce. Yeah, the Britannia and the 1 ounce Buffalo Bar. And now we can pick another winner. And I like how they took out that person. Now it says 856, so they can't win again. So now let's do this. 3, 2, 1. The next winner is Patrick W. He says, hashtag Slayer54K, congratulations and thank you. So shout out to both of you. You have just won my 54,000 subscriber silver giveaway, Patrick. You just won the 1 ounce Sunshine Mint Round and the 2022 Kangaroo. So I will be shipping those out your way and reaching out to you shortly. So yeah, I mean, I just want to say thanks. Every time I do these types of giveaway videos, I kind of like to make it more like personal and just kind of let you guys know how much I also appreciate. This is kind of like the celebration type of milestone type of video. You know, like I talk about the channel, I give away some silver to you guys, and just kind of, you know, just hit it up because this is so cool. I'm really trying to get to that 100K milestone. That's going to be massive for me. Like that was always my dream. Just like, well, when I started, I did not think that was. I literally did not think that was possible. Like I did not think that going the silver stacking route was possible to hit that. But over the last 2 years, maybe probably a year and a half, I'm realizing that it actually is becoming possible. And with you guys, you're the help from like Wall Street Silver and just trying to update the quality of my content. And I know it's possible. I just need your help. So please, like the videos, comment down below, um, share the videos because I'm just trying to do my part and just make some good content to drive in and gravitate as many people towards the silver stacking world as possible. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I'll shut up now. Congrats to the 2 winners. Don't be a bad sport. Shout out to them. I do tons of giveaways, so chances are you're gonna win one of mine eventually. In 50 years maybe when I'm still making daily videos, and hopefully I'm alive for another 50, 60 years. Well, I'm 29, so I don't know. Eventually, over the next couple decades, you might win one. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.